very excited for SCND to bring archery to our school. And I want you to welcome you to international style archery. Archery is safe and fun. I'm going to show you what an emergency signal is. I know that we talked about it in the classroom and you've watched the DVD, but I want to use my book so that I make sure I don't leave anything out. So, now I know you remember what that is, but I'm still going to go over it again. That is an emergency signal. If at any time when you're in this class, archery class, and you hear 5 or more whistles, you stop, you let down your bow, you re-quiver, you re-rack, and you go behind the waiting line. Also, something else that we talked about in the classroom, and I want to bring your attention to today, and that is a dry fire. Who can remember what a dry fire was? Okay, yes, that's good. Let me read right from the book. Only shoot a bow with an arrow notched and pointed towards the target. To shoot a bow without an arrow is a dry fire and can harm people and equipment. So let's give attention to those 2 emergency things, the 5 whistles and also the dry fire. All right, next we're going to talk about the different lines that you see on the floor, okay? We're going to talk about safety and using this range, okay? So, right here, this blue line right here is your waiting line. Now, I have you even back further, just because I wanted to point this out, that this is where the class will be. This is where you'll be, okay? And then, the next line is your shooting line, okay? Represented right here. And then here is your target line, where you would be wait to be given permission to go and get the arrows. All right? I just want to invite you now to come to the waiting line. All right. All right. Very good there, Sam. Notice he remembered from class and the exam that we took that you have to put your toes behind the waiting line. Toes must be behind the waiting line. All right. Remember what 2 signals means. 2 whistles means get bow. All right? I just want you to watch for now, okay? All right, those 2 signals mean I may walk up and get my bow. All right? If you'll notice, all of these bows are right-handed bows, and we have the 2 yellow bows are left-handed bows. Okay? How many left-handers do we have? Great, just 1. Good. All right. Next thing I'm going to show you is how you, when you approach the shooting line, you must, and I'll give another signal for that, but your bow must be your bow on your toe, waiting at the shooting line. Okay? All right. All right, let's start now. All right, I'm going to give the 2 whistle signal, and then Sam, if you would please go get bow and then walk to the shooting line. Get bow. All right. You're going to straddle that shooting line. And place the bow upright on your toe. All right, let me make sure that everybody has their bow on their toes. And now I'm going to blow 1 whistle, and that's to shoot. Okay? Now, okay, great. Being this is our first time on the range, if you would listen to me as I say the 11 steps, okay? First of all, you're going to do your stance, okay? And then you're going to draw. Yes, please, go ahead. You knock the arrow. You draw your hand set. 3 fingers, do you remember that? Okay. Your bow hand set. All right. You're going to pre-draw, draw, anchor, aim, shot set up, release, follow through, and hold your follow through. All right, I'd like for you to do that again, please. Notice your stance. Knock your arrow. Draw hand set. Your bow is hand set. Pre-draw. Draw. Anchor. Aim. Shot set up. Release. Follow through and reflect. Very good. All right. I observed you there from the side. Okay? There are other ways that I will be observing you as you shoot, and all of you in the class. I'm going to look behind your elbow so that make sure that you have the draw length and it's highly visible. I'm going to do the archer's back is what I'm at right now. The elbow would be here, and then well behind the archer's elbow to make sure that your arrow flight and your overall posture is good. Thank you, Sam, for waiting and putting your bow on your toe and waiting for my instruction. And looked to me like you have very good. I especially like how you held your follow through, and you put it right here, and then you followed all the way through. That looked very good. Maybe at the very beginning, when it said your stance is to straddle the shooting line, maybe just do that as well, okay? All right, are there any questions you have for me? All righty. All right, if you would shoot one more then, and at this time, I'm just going to watch and observe you, okay? That's the end of your arrow, so you would return the bow and go back to the waiting line. All right, let's make sure that there are no arrows here, and we'll wait till everybody is back to the waiting line. Like all of the arrows, each one of you shot 3 are in the targets. If they were not in the targets, then I would go and pick them up, and we would give an account of to how many arrows that we have. All right. This line up here, like I say, is where you get your arrows from. Okay, the target line. So when you hear 3 whistles, you may go get arrows. Being this is our first time, I would like to show you how to retrieve an arrow from the target. Okay? Put your hand at the V. Target, and my other hand close to the arrow and my hand. I'm going to look at my target, and I'm going to look as I you're going to go back to the line where I had all the class line up. All right, you'll do that now. And the next person will come up. Now, for you that you just shot and you're waiting, we're going to have something for you to do as well while you're waiting. There might be times that it's an activity that you do right here or off to the side at a designated place. Or today, especially today, what we want you to do is peer observe so that you can learn from each other. We know you learn all kind of ways. And you learn through the DVD, you learn through, remember when we did our string bow and we learned how to shoot and draw with our string bow, okay? You do it now from actually participating in the activity, and now you're going to learn from observation. So let's make sure that we're positive. Archery is fun, it's just wonderful, and it'll be great for you all to be the first class here at SCA to participate in archery. So be attentive to your partner. I would ask that you refrain from talking, and I know you brought paper and pencil so that maybe you can write down things about your partner or about the class or any questions you may have. All right? All right. So the next person may approach the line when you hear the whistle.